everyone, and welcome to my new doll repaint video. And today, guys, we're going to repaint finally the last doll of my Wicked series. I've already repainted the Monster High doll and turned her into Elphaba. My mom made a beautiful outfit for her. Then I've repainted the original, the official Ariana Grande's Glinda doll. And today it's finally time to give a makeover to this beautiful Cynthia Erivo as Elphaba doll. I think this doll is absolutely beautiful. I really love dolls that are being sculpted as real actors, singers, celebrities, because it's always interesting for me as for an artist to repaint these kind of dolls when their face is really sculpted to look like an actual person. Then I can, kind of practice my skills, trying to make them look very realistic. So, and today we're going to do it to this Elphaba Cynthia Erivo doll. So let's give this doll a makeover. It's always fun to work on these kind of projects. So, and this being said, let's start the makeover, let's start the transformation. Of course, guys, like always in the beginning, I have to remind you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified about my new doll repaint videos. I upload new doll makeovers every week Friday or every second week Friday, depends on the size of the project. I'm not sure actually when this project comes out. It can be on Saturday because I've been thinking about uploading them 2 days in a row, Ariana and Cynthia, but I'm not sure yet how it's all gonna play out. I haven't started yet. So, of course, subscribe, hit the bell button, hit the like button if you enjoy all the things that I've been making here. And this being said, let's take a closer look at this doll and let's start the makeover. So, this is the doll, and I think actually that she is better than the Ariana one. It's still the same unbendable body, the elbows, the knees are not bending, but the outfit looks much better. The hat and the boots are actually really nice, close to what we see in the movie, and her face is less creepy than Ariana's. I really like her hair, this very nice thin braids, very good. Yeah, the dress is also good, this textured fabric looks really nice. So I think they did a better job with this doll. So now let's listen to her singing. I will have to mute this part of the video if I suddenly get a copyright claim, but it seems it's all okay in the Ariana's video, so I will do it. So now let's undress her, let's disconnect her head from the body, and then I will remove her face with pure acetone. And I'm actually protecting her hair with some towel, with some fabric. Otherwise, the hot air of the hair dryer would melt it. So this is what I'm doing if I'm trying to keep the original doll's hair. Okay, everything is gone, so I've protected her hair again, this time with tape and kitchen plastic. Sprayed the face with 2 layers of Mr. Super Clear sealant to kind of prep the surface. And now I can start drawing her face using a couple of Cynthia's pictures as a reference. When the face looks satisfyingly good, I blush her body to make it the same color like the face. I'm just avoiding this area in the middle, this dynamic, because I don't want soft pastels and the spray getting into those holes, because I don't think it's good for this system. I will use the original outfit. If you want to see me creating the complete look for Elphaba, please check out my Monster High repaint video. It was uploaded around a month ago, probably. She turned out absolutely gorgeous. My mom made a fantastic outfit, so here I will not repeat the same look again, the same accessories. I will just use the original dress because I think it's okay. And you know what, guys? I've just realized that I forgot to give her freckles. So let's solve it quickly. Let's spray it on. So, and here is my finished Elphaba. I think she looks much more realistic than before. She really looks like Cynthia Erivo. I think she looks pretty much alive right now, so I'm very happy with this result. And now we can finally put my Ariana and Cynthia or Glinde and Elphaba dolls together, and we can enjoy the complete transformation, the end result of it. It was a fun project. I don't know, maybe I've created too many wicked dolls in a very short time, but it was fun. I really enjoyed it. So next week it will be something completely new, different, a completely different vibe. So please don't forget to come back next week Friday for it. And if you want to buy this Elphaba doll, you can find her on eBay. Please check out the link under this video in the description box. And now let's discuss the doll and also the new movie in the comments. Have you watched it already? How did you find it? I'm really curious to hear all your different opinions. So guys, and that was my doll transformation of the week. I really hope you enjoyed it today. And if so, please don't forget to support my art here on YouTube with your likes, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified about my new doll repaint videos, and I will see you in my next video, probably in 2 weeks on Friday, but I'm not sure, so hit the bell button to get notified, and I will see you soon. Have a nice weekend, guys. Love you. Bye.